Kettik.
Greetings. This greetings is sent on the request of Nurgul Ejeke to the graduates of the Olymp school in Osh City. I just wanted to say that since you are graduating from the high school, I'm going to leave 3 things with you. 1, please develop your goals in your life, what you want to achieve. The second, imagine the world where you want to be and who could take you to that journey with journey you. And the third one is that you never ever forget that there is only one motherland. That is our small, beautiful Kyrgyzstan. Sending these warm greetings from the heart of Prague, Czech Republic. Bye bye.
Yoo-hoo!